Wagon attracts a lot of kind of ambitious and interesting people, people who do want to do something new with their life, which is kind of a very ambitious thing to do. So it draws a lot of really cool people. So my name is Martin, and I work as a back-end Ruby on Rails developer at a company called Capable Health. Most of my time at my job is not spent in front of a text editor coding, but rather working with my teammates, working with product managers, working with implementation engineers to understand the problems of our clients and come up with solutions. Before Wagon, I was in university. I knew I wanted to do programming, so I enrolled in the computer science course. Looking ahead, I had like 2.5 years left that I would have to do to get my degree. I was really attracted to the 2-month course at Wagon, and so I decided to drop out of university and do Wagon. Teaching was a great way to solidify my own understanding. I really enjoyed the learning. I mean, there was so much knowledge, really gave me everything I wanted in terms of technical skills, and also people who are just fun to hang around in general.